Hello everyone, thanks for being here. A canvas 16 by 20 inches, and I'm covered with a very light pink. Actually, it was a leftover color that I have here, and I want to use because I don't have that much of this color, so I want to use it all. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna put the Pro Electric Blue. I mix it with a Floetrol and a little bit of water. Love that blue. Now light blue from Arteza. Now I'm gonna use Pearl Amaryllis, actually Amaranti Red from Tabulosa, with a little Floetrol and the water. Now I have another mix. It's the first time that I'm gonna use it. It's a Pearl Deep Brown from Tabulosa with Floetrol and water too. I have a light pink from Arteza and a dark blue, metallic dark blue from Arteza. I'm going to repeat all the colors that I said before. What's going to happen, and let's blue. Well, the colors are very nice. I kind of like it. It's getting better. The pink paint is not that much to flow a lot, but I'm trying to stretch as more as I can to see how it's gonna looks. But I really like the red and the blue, and the brown gave you like almost copper. I see a little mix, like a weird color, but doesn't look bad at all. Looks good. Oh, I like it. Try to stretch a little bit. I know that I'm not supposed to blow on the top of the painting twice, but I'm trying to stretch the ends and see how far they can go, because I don't want the painting be just on the side or in the middle. So I don't like the empty spots on this paint. Sometimes it's good, but not on this one. Oh yes, it's getting there. If I can stretch a little bit more, I'm gonna be happy. I still have a lot of paint in the middle. I want to stretch that. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see what I see, but I really love this painting. There's a little bumps. I think it's from Floetrol because I didn't drain the Floetrol. I just put on a color. I forgot. But you see, in the middle of the lots of mistakes, something happened, and I think this paint is it's gonna be my favorite because there's so much things going on here, and the color just match with each other, and the composition is beautiful. I'm very happy with this. And I'm glad that I got the pink. Try to blow. But it's okay. They're not gonna stretch more than that. I think it's okay. See what I'm saying? Sometimes you start in making, choose the colors and you're not sure about it, and became like so nice. It's so many cells forming all over the painting. So that's not just a single spot that they don't have cells and details. Some bubbles. Can't wait to see that after I resin this baby. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm gonna sell. I think I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, it's perfect the way that it is. I'm not gonna touch anymore. Just gonna torch to pop the bubbles, and that's it. I'm very happy with this paint, and I want to say thank you for you guys to support my art and watching my videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. See what you think about this paint. And you guys have a great night, and be safe. And I'll see you guys on next video. Bye bye.